Let's make some 8-point 3-dimensional paper stars. To start with, you're going to need 2 square sheets of paper. My squares are 12 by 12 because I really wanted some giant stars. Then you're going to take that square sheet of paper and you're going to fold it in half. Then you're going to open it up and fold it in half the other way. Then you're going to want to open it up one more time and then fold it from diagonal to diagonal. Open it up again and then fold it again from the opposite diagonal to diagonal. This is going to give you 4 creases in your paper. Then you're going to open up your paper again and you're going to make a little slit on each of the edges about halfway to the center point. And y'all, I am just an eyeballer. I do not measure. So this doesn't have to be perfect for your stars to turn out amazing. Then you're going to fold in each of those corner pieces so that they make the points of your star. And at this point, you might be thinking, this seems really complicated. I promise once you get going, it goes so much easier. And here's where we actually make them 3-dimensional. You're going to overlap those 2 edges together and put some hot glue on there so that they stay in place. And do this for each one of those 4 corner points. Once you've got them secured, you might need to adjust that crease just a little bit just to make sure it's all falling in place as it should. Now, this star by itself is super cute. And if you're looking for something flat to hang against the wall, you could totally use it by itself. But I wanted some that were 3-dimensional, so we're going to do the exact same thing with the second sheet of paper. But before we get to gluing it and making it 3-dimensional, we're going to actually hide our string. This is how we're going to hang it up. So I cut a little piece of string and I tied it. And then I'm going to open up that flap and I'm going to put some hot glue in there and attach the knot where I tied the string. And then I'm going to put some glue on that flap and make it 3-dimensional. So that way you can't see the knot or the string in there and it just seamlessly will hang from the ceiling. So this step is totally optional, but it's a great way to build in a hanger. And once you've got your second star kind of fully formed and everything lying flat, it's time to attach the 2 of them together. So I just add a little bit of hot glue and place them so each of the stars are hiding that open space that's in the middle. I have been on such a paper star kick for decorating this year. Can't wait to get these hung up by my stairs. I absolutely love the way they turned out. Thanks so much for hanging out. If you like affordable DIYs, make sure to follow along.